if the clock app is missing on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just swipe to the left side and open the app library on your iPhone. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just look for the clock app. If you're able to find the clock app, just tap and hold on the app and drag it to your home screen. But as you can see in our case, we are unable to find the clock app. Now just go back to the app library, and over here, you will find a folder called Hidden. Now just tap on the hidden folder and open the hidden folder. And just check if the clock app is in the hidden folder or not. If you cannot find the clock app in the hidden folder, then you might have accidentally deleted the app on your iPhone. Now to fix this issue, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just look for the clock app. As you can see, this is the clock app. Now just download the app back on your iPhone. Now as you can see, now if I go to the home screen, then if I open the app library, as you can see, the clock app is available in the app library. Now just tap and hold on the clock app and drag it to your home screen. Just like that. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and from here, just select Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap on Reset Home Screen, and by doing that, you will reset the home screen layout back to your default iPhone home screen layout. And by doing that, you will be able to find the clock app back on your iPhone's home screen. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.